Over the last 9 videos, we have explored what mitochondria are, how they produce energy, where they came from, and why they are essential for life. But the story of mitochondria is far from complete. In laboratories around the world, scientists are still uncovering new roles for these remarkable organelles. One area of research focuses on treating inherited mitochondrial diseases. Because some of these disorders are caused by mutations in mitochondrial DNA, researchers have developed a technique called mitochondrial replacement therapy. In carefully selected cases, healthy mitochondria from a donor egg can help prevent the transmission of certain mitochondrial diseases from mother to child. This approach has opened an entirely new direction in reproductive medicine. Scientists are also investigating ways to repair or modify defective genes involved in mitochondrial function. Although many of these techniques are still experimental, advances in genetics and molecular biology are bringing new possibilities for future treatments. Mitochondria are also being studied in diseases that affect millions of people, including Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, diabetes, heart disease, and several forms of cancer. In many of these conditions, changes in mitochondrial function appear to play an important role. Understanding these changes may lead to better methods of diagnosis and more effective therapies. Another major area of research is healthy aging. As mitochondria become less efficient over time, cells gradually lose their ability to produce energy. Researchers are exploring whether protecting mitochondrial function could help maintain healthier tissues for longer and reduce the impact of age-related diseases. What makes mitochondria so fascinating is that they connect many different fields of biology, from evolution and genetics to medicine and biotechnology. A structure once known simply as the powerhouse of the cell has become one of the most important subjects in modern biological research. This brings us to the end of this course. You have followed the journey from the basic structure of mitochondria to the latest scientific discoveries. And as research continues, there is little doubt that mitochondria will remain at the center of some of biology's most exciting questions for years to come.